Alright, so today is February 12th, 2023, and we are going to be looking at something different today. We're going to be looking at the Euro USD chart. We usually look at stock options, but today we're going to do something different. The reason why we're going to do something different is because sometimes people work during the hours of 9 to 5, and that prevents them from trading. So trading in the foreign exchange market can be possible for those people as well as other people who might want to spend their entire day on a computer. Just because the foreign exchange market is open from Sunday evening from 6 o'clock. As we can see, it just opened about 20 minutes ago, and it closes on Friday evening. So we're going to be looking at this chart. We're going to be looking at the last 2 days of last week, Thursday and Friday, and we're just going to see the earning potential, and we're going to see when to enter these trades. So as we can see over here, this is Wednesday and this is Thursday. This is Thursday around midnight. And a good entry point over here would have been around 3 a.m. If you entered into this market, caught this buy with one standard lot size, you would have made approximately about $500. You would have made more if you got out of the trade right around here, but that's about $500 right there. So that's 500. This is probably another 500, and that is maybe about 6 or 650. So this right here, with a standard lot size in a day and a half, you could have made probably under $2,000, a little bit under $2,000 with one standard lot size. Now, what is a standard lot size? We get into that in the course. We get into that into the trainings. You can look that up by yourself if you want to, but we go over everything in the trainings and in the live trading room. So if you want access to that, just reach out and we will speak. We'll have a conversation with you and see if you're a good fit for the room. And if you are, then you can jump in and you can start trading immediately. But keep in mind, before you start trading, we want you to develop the right trading psychology, and we want you to know how to trade effectively and the right way. Because if you just jump into a trade, then you will lose money. If you don't have your risk management set up, if you don't know what you're doing, you will lose money, and that is what we are trying to avoid. It's the same thing as swimming. If you're learning how to swim, you don't just jump into the ocean and expect to learn. Now, you might get lucky, you might get back to shore, but that might not happen. So we want to make sure that we start off small. We learn the right habits, the right trading psychology, risk management, when to enter a trade, when to exit a trade, how to zoom into the chart and actually place a trade, and then we can move on from there. So with that being said, this is Euro US dollar. Today is Sunday, February 12th, 2023. About a month and a half into the new year. If you have any questions, feel free to go over to our website, chat with us, send us an email. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you want to join us, then send us an email as well. We'll get back to you. All right, so take care.